In today's video, I'll show you how you can get a custom crosshair in Roblox. So let's get started. So if you want to upgrade your aim in Roblox with a custom crosshair, especially for shooters like Arsenal or Phantom Forces, here's how you can do it step by step. So now, step 1, you want to download a custom crosshair overlay. You'll need a third-party app to add a crosshair on top of your screen. So two popular free tools are the Crosshair V2, which you can download from Google, and then custom desktop logo, which is only for Windows. And then you can download and install one of them, depending on which one you think is better for you. And then they are also lightweight and will not get you banned even if others know that you're using it. And now step 2 is that you can choose or create your crosshairs. So you can find transparent PNG crosshairs images online or create one yourself in Canva or Photoshop. It's very easy. You can make sure it has a transparent background and is sized around 50 by 50 pixels. So you want to make sure that it is in PNG format so that you would have a transparent background, and then you could also easily do it in Canva. Now, step 3 is that you can add the crosshair to your overlay tool. In the tool settings are upload your PNG image, so PNG file, and then set the position to the center of your screen, and then adjust the size, opacity, and color if needed. So it would actually depend on which app you chose right here as your overlay tool. And step 4 is that you want to now launch Roblox and test it out. You want to start a game in Roblox and your custom crosshair should now appear over the center of the screen. It works across all games since it's an overlay, not a game mod. Just a reminder that this method doesn't modify Roblox itself, so it's safe and won't get you banned, but don't use cheats or aim assist tools as that will definitely get you banned. Also, this feature is also present in some high-end monitors, so you can also check if your monitor supports crosshairs in the settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.